Carmencita Padilla. Dr. Padilla is Professor of Pediatrics at the College of Medicine in the University of the Philippines, UP Manila. She is concurrently holds several key positions in the country. Executive Director of the Philippines Genome Center UP System, Director of the Newborn Screening Reference Center, National Institutes of Health, Philippines, UP Manila. The Interim Director, Institute of Health Innovations and Translational Medicine of the Philippines, California Advanced Research Institutes, Commissions on Higher Education. Dr. Padilla has been a recipient of numerous awards. On October 2013, she was chosen one of the 100 most influential Filipino women in the world, given by the US-based Female Women's Network. Among her other recent national awards are Dr. Paulo C. Campos Award for Medical Research by the Philippines Association of the Advance of Science Incorporated by 2013, Most Outstanding Pediatrician given by the Philippines Pediatric Society by 2013, Outstanding Science Administrator Award 2012, Outstanding Health Research Award 2010 given by the Philippines Council of the Health Research and Development, Department of Science and Technology, Best Mentor in Health Research Award, National Capital Region 2009, Outstanding Filipino Physician given by CGC, Senate of the Philippines, and DOH at 2007. Dr. Padilla has more than 100 publications, original articles, chapters in textbooks and non-textbooks, training modules, and etc. In the area of policy making, she is responsible for crafting the Newborn Screening Act of 2004. She is now lobbying for another bill entitled Rare Diseases Act of the Philippines. Dr. Padilla is a graduate of BS Pre-Medicine in UP Diliman Cum Laude at 1976 and BS Medicine in UP College of Medicine, UP Manila in 1981. MA in Health Policy Studies at the College of Public Health, UP Manila at 2005. She took pediatric residency at the Philippines General Hospital and pursued a fellowship in clinical genetics at the Royal Alexandra Hospital for Children, Sydney, Australia. Recognizing her varied contributions to the academic growth of genetics in the Philippines, she was conferred Academician of the National Academy of Science and Technology in 2008.
Carmencita D. Padilla received the most prestigious award in science for her outstanding work in newborn screening and genomics when she was named the 43rd National Scientist of the Philippines.
Achievements: pioneering newborn screening in the Philippines. Second, National Scientist of the Philippines. In recognition of her exceptional contributions, Dr. Padilla was conferred the Order of National Scientist, the highest recognition given by a Filipino scientist, in August 2023. Leadership in Education and Research. Dr. Padilla served as the 8th Chancellor of the University of the Philippines, Manila. She also played a key role in founding the Philippine Genome Center. Mentorship and recognition. She has received numerous awards throughout her career, including the most outstanding pediatrician by the Philippine Pediatric Society and the Outstanding Science Administrator Award.
Most important studies done: newborn screening in the Philippines, maple syrup urine disease or MSUD, newborn screening in the Asia-Pacific region, birth defect, and cancer genetic projects.
Professor Padilla is considered by many to be a pioneer in genetics in the Philippines and the Asia-Pacific region. But despite all her accreditations, she is probably best known for introducing newborn screening, or NBS, in the Philippines and authoring the Newborn Screening Act of 2004. A law that required hospitals, health centers, private clinics, and rural health units to screen every newborn for possible disorders that may not be physically visible. What started as an academic research for Professor Padilla eventually developed into a life-saving legislation.
Discovery. Why is this important? NBS is a simple and affordable procedure that identifies if an infant has congenital metabolic disorder, which may lead to intellectual disability, physical disability, or early death if not treated early. Since its implementation, NBS has screened over 10 million babies and saved more than 120,000 babies from mental retardation and death.